What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be creating Skyburger, and we will just hop into it right now. That's skyburger.js. Anyways, we're just gonna call setup real quick, and then function draw. I don't know why we're starting in in the JS file, but we are. I apologize for not being with it today. Let's create it like width, height. The width is going to be that, height is going to be 600. Yes, I'm very tired today. Doc type HTML. Okay, gotta get the head, and then head. Oh snap, there we go. And then script src equals skyburger, or you know what, I forgot, type equals text slash javascript, src equals whatever we're creating right now, skyburger.js. Let's get this and let's delete that, and let's go here, let's rename this to p5min.js, and then we should be good. We are not good. File not found, p5, oh right, I forgot. Sorry, I don't know what I just hit, but I hit something. There we go. Now we have our game. So, Skyburger, you try and stack a burger, or you try and stack a burger, but anyways, let's create the prototype function. It's going to be like a topping almost. So that's going to be that. We're going to go here. Where is it? Skyburger. Topping.js. There we go. Now within this, we are going to do a few things. Every topping needs a this.x, or this.position equals create vector. We're just gonna pass in an x and a y. Now what we need to do is pass in x, y, and really we also need a color. So I guess I will, there, color, this dot c equals c, color, position, neat. I don't know how I'm typing so fast right now, but I'm typing pretty fast. Let's create a function real quick. Function random color. Here, we'll just do our call. There we go. Return color random 255. Let's select this. Oh wow. Oh, I hit control comma on accident. There we go. So that's our call. I should probably add that into p5min. Anyways, what we want to do is we want a this dot stacked equals false. That's pretty self-explanatory. Now if we do topping dot prototype dot draw equals function topping, here we'll just copy and paste this. There we go. Topping update. Within here we're gonna say this dot pause dot y plus equals however much. Well, actually no, we're going to have to do if this or not this dot stacked, then we add to the y. We're gonna add like speed to the y. No, this will be a constant. I'm gonna use a constant this time. I don't like using constants, but we're going out of the ordinary today. So with this, we are going to say, I kind of want, okay, we're gonna do a, let's go to P5 real quick. I'm not exactly sure. P5 reference, this is what I want. Ellipse, can I give it, I want to give it, yes, there we go. If I do like, this will be height, so I'll keep this as 55, but I want that one. Yeah, there we go. That's what I want. So within draw, we are going to say fill this dot C. We are also going to say no stroke. There we go. And we are going to say ellipse. And we are going to say, hang on, let me get a sip. This dot pause dot x, this dot pause dot y, this dot, actually not this dot width, something like 15 with a height, or no, a width of, let's do 100 with a height of 25, because it's going to be like a topping, like a patty almost. Those going to be random colors each time. Okay, so that's a draw. This is cool. If it's not stacked, here, you know what we will do? We will say if this dot stacked, we're going to do this, else we can just kind of take this and put it up there. If it's stacked, then we need to do, we need a player. Here, we'll just do a function key pressed. Oh wait, no. We just need a function handle keys. And what this will do, we'll just put this in draw real quick. Handle keys. And this is interesting. We're going to say var player equals new topping. Gonna give it x and a y. The x will be width over 2. Height will be height minus height minus the height of the topping itself. So the height of the topping is 25, so I'll subtract 25. Random color, it's not going to be random this time, it's actually just going to be, actually it needs to be color, There we go. And really what we need to do is have this up here. Var player. There we go. Handle keys. What we're going to say is actually var delay, yeah, we're just gonna do delay for now. Delay equals 0. Whenever we get a new topping, we're gonna add to the delay, and that's gonna be in draw cycles. That's gonna be the delay. So this works with timing. Var I equals 0. I is less than toppings dot length. I will create that. I plus plus. I'm actually yeah. We'll keep it like that. Var toppings equals an empty array. Within this, we're gonna say toppings dot push. Yeah, that was correct. Player. We're just gonna push player. Handle keys. If key is down, up arrow. No. Left arrow. Real quickly, I'm going to copy that. There we go. This one, although, will be right arrow. So we need a var movements. Movements. There we go. So what we will do is we will say movements or mov dot push to the left. Okay, yeah, if it's left, then we're subtracting, and we are yeah, okay. Here, create vector, and then surround these within there. What I'll do is control shift, there we go. There. Oh, my bad. Mov dot push. There we go, except this one's going to be +1. And within this, what is it? Create vector. Oh, I wish I could do, here, we'll do, you know what needs to happen? We need to create an object. M equals that, and T equals 0. It's always going to equal 0. Let's cut and paste this here. Except this needs to be -1. So we're gonna have to loop through for var I equals 0, I is less than topping, or not topping, mov.length I++. What we will do is, actually we need to go through this backward. Equals mov length I is greater than or equal to 0, I++. No, minus. I don't know what I'm thinking anymore. So at this point we need to check, we need to increment t. So mov of I dot t++. If, yeah, okay, we'll do that afterwards. If, no, we're gonna do it before. If mov of I dot t is greater than delay, actually greater than or equal to delay, then 1, we're going to move the player. So player dot move, say player dot move, mov of I dot m, and then we will do mov dot splice I1. So that means we delete it from the array and we're good. The delay should start at 0. So this will cause the delayed movement, which is what we need. Topping.prototype.move, yeah, equals function, and we'll say m. And what I'm gonna do, put a semicolon here. I'm actually going to move the move function over here. Let's delete that. There we go. What I want is this dot position dot add m. That's what I want to do. Good. Okay. I'd like to do that. I'd like to be able to add that on a delay, though. Oh. If this is stacked, then we need to have the delay. Yeah, okay, here. We'll just loop through the toppings. What we need to do is set the player.stacked equals true. Let's see, any errors? Oh right, topping is not defined. What I'd like to do is I'd like to move that here, there, topping.js, cool, no need for this, property t of undefined. So let's look at mov. Empty array. Oh, my bad. -1. Right, okay. So, cool. Let's look at mov. It's empty. What I'd like to do is... what do I need to do? Oh, we aren't drawing the topping. toppings of I dot draw, and we also need to update. Oh, don't know why that happened. Update. There we go. Cool. Now we have a topping here. Awesome. Let's make this a bit more. Let's make it more like 5. Or you know what it needs to be? A velocity. It truly needs to be a velocity. No, it doesn't, because we're gonna... Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Position this dot vel equals create vector 0, 0. What we're gonna do is say this dot vel dot add m. We can delete this there. Update, we need to say no, we're not gonna have velocity, sorry. So what it's gonna do, this is fine for now. Let's do minus 15 or something. There we go, that's more like it. So what we want is every few seconds, if random is greater, here, if frame count mod 120 equals 0, and if random is greater than 0.7, then we are going to push a new topping. So toppings dot push new topping, and here we're going to say random width 0 rcall. That sounds so odd because I'm saying random width rcall. Blah, blah, blah. There we go. That's cool. That worked. Awesome. So if ever you miss a topping, that means the game has to end. So function end game. Oy caramba. We'll say is console.log end, or game over or whatever, no loop, and what we will do is say, ooh, nice, we need a collides with, really, so if toppings of I dot y is greater than height end game. So obviously this is gonna happen, but we want to make sure it doesn't happen. If it's stacked, I'll figure out what should happen if it's stacked. So what needs to happen now? Oh wait, no. Yeah, this isn't gonna work. Here. You know what? Instead of toppings, we just need var stack equals. There we go. Within stack. Yeah, essentially we just need for var I equals 0, I is less than stack.length I plus plus. I nearly did stack plus plus. But we need to do stack.push, and within here, my bad, stack of I dot update stack of I dot draw. Let's try it. There we go. Now we have our thing back. We need to check for every topping. So we will loop through all the toppings. So there. If, well, really only the top one can hit. Yeah, okay, so really we don't need to do a nested loop. We could just kind of say if stack of stack.length minus 1. So if it exists, then we'll do if stack of stack.length. No, always the stack is going to be 1 at least. So if it no, not if that. We're going to say if toppings of I dot stacks with stack of, here we need, okay, this is getting funky now. So now we need to say toppings of I dot stacked equals true, and we need to say toppings of I dot splice oh wait, no, it's not toppings of I dot splice. Toppings dot splice I1, but before we do that, we need to add it to the stack. So stack dot push toppings of I. That should be good. Let's delete this line. Let's see what happens. Okay, oh right, we don't have a so topping dot prototype dot stacks with equals function topping there. We will say if this dot position dot x minus top dot position dot x. What we really need to do is wrap these in parentheses and say math.abs. So if math.abs you know what, actually, yeah, okay, I've forgotten how this works exactly. If this x is something like 90 and mine's 50, that means this x minus that one is going to be 40 if it's within half of the is less than width over 2, which is 50. Then we need to, here, we'll just create const width equals 100. Whoop. Const, you know what, we'll just say, I guess we can just say, yeah, we'll just say height equals 25. Width, height, it'll always be this side, size. Why am I doing this to myself? This dot h, this dot w equals 100, this dot h equals 25. There we go. This dot width over 2. So if that happens, well actually first we need to say if math.abs, no, not math.abs, if this dot position dot y, So if this dot position dot y, and what we do is we say we go from toppings, we check if the toppings stacks with that one. So we say if this y is less than top dot pos dot y. No, we're just gonna have to do a subtraction again. To be quite honest, I don't like using the subtraction method, but I say method like it was some sort of function, but really it's just a method. So if this is less than 5 or something, or less than this dot height over 2, there we go. So only if that happens will we check the x-axis. So both these are true, then we say this, or return true. Actually, we can just kind of say return on this whole thing, and no, didn't mean to do that. And there, just gonna home. Why am I so odd with this? So that's that. Return false there. And we have an error. Unexpected token. I think it's because of this. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Let's check. Come on. Gonna get some toppings. Let's get some toppings, yo. Okay. Oh, error. Y of undefined. Okay. Skyburger 52. 52. Oh, right, because this needs to go ahead, and there we go. Let's test it. Okay, the thing I'm worried about is the delay. Okay, there we go. That's good. Now all we need to do is, it went through. That was odd. Okay. We've got our stack, but it doesn't, it only goes to the top one. Right, okay. Good. Okay, what I want to do now is I want to update. I want to now draw. I want to take every time we move, it needs to oh gosh, why am I struggling with this right now? I like how they're stacking though, it's groovy. Anyways, what I need to do is I need to say stack of I, we'll loop through it -1. Stack of I. We may need to move, yeah, we need to do it. Need to do this differently. Need to loop through it backward. I should just loop through everything backward by default, to be quite honest. But yes, we need to dot move, and we will say move it. We want to move it to the previous one. We'll just create a move to function. topping dot prototype dot move to equals function to there, and we'll say this dot position equals to dot position. There we go. I'm really liking the stack it's creating. I'm really enjoying that. So now I need to move it to stack of I -1 dot position. There we go. But this needs to be moved to. So if it needs to be greater than, just make it greater than 0. And we have an error. Oh wait, yes we do. What's happening here? Let's not do this for now. Huh. We don't have any errors. Oh, right. We can't do it like that. There we go. So only if, yeah, okay, let's try this. No? Oh wait, I think what happened was I didn't comment it, or I still have it uncommented. Yeah, position of undefined. So this can't be undefined if stack of I, there we go. We just check if it's there. Nope. Position of undefined, it's not gonna, oh, my bad. There we go. Let's try it. Come on, give me some toppings. Topping 18. Oh, wait a minute. I think it has to do with this. I think. Huh. This dot pause dot here, we'll just say create vector 2.pause.x 2.pause.y. There we go. Alrighty. Let's test. And we still have the error. Cannot read x of undefined. So this is just this is just undefined. Where is it undefined? So could it be this one or could it be this one? Because we're saying move to. Let's try commenting this out for now. And let's see if this has trouble. Okay, that's cool. Good. Awesome. Okay, but we don't. Okay, we need to. Yeah, what? Oh. Was it saying 45 here? Let's see. I thought it said 18. 45. Oh, my bad. There we go. 2.x, 2.y. There we go. That's what's needed. We gonna get a topping? What is it gonna be? Is it gonna be a lettuce? Is it gonna be a patty? It was... Oh. Right. Okay. It's actually moving them to the thing itself. And really I just want to keep the Y on it. Okay, what is it going to be this time? Oh. Huh. So why is this happening? This dot Y, is this dot Y undefined? So stack of 1 dot, oh, right. Oh, wow. I wasn't thinking. It's gotta be this dot pause dot Y. There we go. There we go. Give me some more. Give me some more of them. Come on. Give me some more. Awesome. Awesome. This is what I wanted. There's no constraint, but that's because if we were to constrain, you're just gonna have to try and stay on it. It's not giving me more. I want more. Come on. There we go. There we go. It's all jiggly. There. Uh-huh. Awesome. Yes. I'm liking it. Look at this. So really, we don't need a delay at all. This is fun. Oh, look at it doing a jig. Oi, 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 oi. Why am I having so much fun with this? Oh gosh. It doesn't like tilt too much. That's something I'd like to change. But in all honesty, I think we'll be good with this. No, I missed it. Oh, that should have been game over. Why was it not game over? Here, we'll make it 0.5. There we go. Here, you know what? We'll just push a new one every 2 seconds, really. Actually, let's just make it 240. That should be good. So, now, we don't need a time. We just kind of say this, push a create vector. That's all we need to do now. Don't have to worry about the movement. All you gotta do is this. Don't have to check. We don't have to do any of this. We don't need to move like this anymore. What I need to do is be able to shift it downward, shift the screen downward. Let's see. We don't need anything like this. Movements, don't need any of that. Don't need this either. Handle keys, we would just say player.move. Yeah, we'll just say player.move. I do need that one. Player.move. There we go. And now this one, this now should be good. So yes, neat. Every 4 seconds we get a new thing. There we go. Cool. And what I'd like to do is stacks width should be divided by 4 now, just to make it more difficult. Okay, now what I need to do is say if the so what I like to do is say if stack of I or stack of stack.length minus 1 dot position dot y is greater than width or height over 2, then we are going to say translate by stack, translate by 0, but stack dot y dot position, or this one we just need to translate it by this. There we go. Cool. So let's get quite a few. There we go. Nice. Cool. What I'd like to have is velocityness. So I think what I'll do is say I don't know. Should they get smaller over time? Dang it, we missed one. Should be fine though. Hopefully this translates. Here, you know what we'll do? Instead of saying random width, we'll say mod1 equals 0, and then width. We won't say random width, we'll just say width over 2. Gosh, why was that so much? 30. Just make it 30, please. Okay. Okay, and then we hit. It's greater than that. But we aren't translating. Oh gosh. We aren't look at this. This is gonna be the thumbnail, I think. Okay. Enough with the distractions. What we need to do is say, I wish it would translate here. Console.log this part of it. There we go. Nice. So whenever, really we here, let's try this. Oh, is less than, my bad. You're gonna want to translate to it. Let's see this now. Oh, you know what I think it is? Height over 2 minus stack. Let's try this. Doing fine. It's not translating. Let's see, translate. I'm not sure. Maybe we'll just, What needs to happen is we need to begin translating. Here, let's try this. Because really we only want to translate to the stack. Let's try this. I'll try that real quick. There we go. That's what I wanted. Although it's starting to... Oh. What I'd like now... See, now it gets real confusing. Because then we have... I don't know what we have. We translate. Dude, why am I blanking so much? So then what it needs to do, it's just translating. Really, we need to move the Y down. So what we need to say is, we say this, and then we need to say, we need to like shift everything down by however much. So we translate. So what needs to happen here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We'll just go with like 30. So if stack dot length greater than 30, then we won't translate. We'll say, just say, what should it be? What does it need to be? Oh, you know what? Move to? It really should be, it really should lerp. That'd be funny. Maybe I'll add that. So what we need to say is, if it's greater than 30, we need to shift everything down. So whenever we add something, Here, we'll do var score equals, yeah, score. We'll just say score. Score player score, and what we'll do is we'll say if ever this is like this, we will say if stack dot length -1 is greater than score, then we say score plus plus, and then we need to move everything down. Yeah, we won't do this quite yet. What we'll say is stack of I dot move create vector. We'll move like 5 down or something. -5. You know what? Yeah, 5. 5 should be fine. Or what's the width of them? Minus what? Minus width over 4? No. Minus height over 2. What's the height? 12.5. Here, we'll say 12.5. Minus 12.5. Let's try it. You guys see this? Okay. Really, it needs to be plus. And what it needs to do is say stack.length. If it's greater than score really is just here. Oh, my bad. So then we check if score there score plus plus. Let's try this. I don't want to move it every time. Oh, that's the thing. So 12 and stack dot length is greater than 30 or 15. We'll just do 15. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There we go. Oh gosh. Yeah, that's good. They seem to be staying in the exact same place, which is fantastic. So yeah, now what we'll do is we will say, we will draw the score, text, score, text size, 50, and we will draw the score. We'll just keep the fill at 0 or like 10 comma 70. There we go. There we go. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So within end game, it's not no looping. Here, let me see is so when we check toppings, oh, that's why. If it's y is greater than height. There we go. Let's try this. Let's try moving out of the way. and we end game. Then we will say text game over, width over 2, height over 2. Yeah, we'll just do that. Yeah, we'll just do that. There we go. No, but then it won't be aligned. Text align center. Game over. Text size. Yeah, we'll keep it at 50 actually. Let's change the fill red. You know what, we'll just make it FFF. Filled 255. That's what we're making it. There we go. And then here we're saying text align. Actually no, then just do text align left. As you can see, this is now center lined, but I don't want this to be center lined after we die. So what I do is we say game over, and then that's that. So yeah, that's about all. Thanks for watching, everybody. Tune in tomorrow, creating something interesting. Can't remember what I'll be creating, but it will be interesting nevertheless. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for joining. Peace, peace.